Hi, and welcome to our final week of Theater 191, Experiencing Theater. My name is Dr. Christiana Muldrum Harkelich, and I want to thank you for taking this journey with us this semester. Over the course of this term, we have discussed how to read a script and the different aspects of a script that come together to create the world of the play. We've worked on understanding the world of the play and all of the different aspects beyond what's in the script that make the world come alive. We've learned about styles and genres and how productions are put together and applied those ideas to your own scripts. We've also gone over the wide range of places and the different types of jobs available in the theater. And I hope that you now have a pretty good understanding of how we take theater from page to stage and all of the different places that you can go and experience theater as you go out into the world. As the video that you watched prior to this video mentions, live art is constantly in flux. And more importantly, live art needs audiences. And they need your attention in a world soaked in so much media all the time that has only gotten more media soaked since that video was made in 2010. And I hope that you will make space in your life to go see art in person. Because there's something very special about giving time and space and energy to just being in the space with art, which is what theater demands of you. And I hope that you make an effort to go see theater wherever you end up in your lives. I also hope that we will see you around in the theater department. If you think you might want to get more involved, I encourage you to come visit me during my office hours or your TA during their office hours. You might want to explore the thematic sequence if you like reading plays. We have a wonderful thematic sequence in theater, or look into Theater 200, the experiential learning credit. You never know what you might experience and learn through the arts, and we hope that we'll see you more around.